EagleRidge, kitchen remodeling and renovation in Tibble Fork, Utah. EagleRidge excels in kitchen remodeling and renovation in Tibble Fork, Utah, 84003, offering services marked by superior craftsmanship and customized solutions. With extensive experience, they focus on quality materials and timely project completion. Their design inspirations blend modern and rustic elements, ensuring unique, functional, and aesthetically pleasing spaces. The remodeling process involves a thorough assessment, planning, and installation of new fixtures, culminating in thorough inspections. Renovations by EagleRidge greatly enhance kitchen functionality, increase property value, and improve energy efficiency. For those interested in transforming their kitchens, EagleRidge's approach guarantees remarkable results. When considering a kitchen remodeling project in Tibble Fork, Utah, choosing the right contractor is crucial. EagleRidge stands out due to their extensive experience, commitment to quality, and personalized service. Their skilled team ensures that projects are completed on time and within budget, offering peace of mind and exceptional results for every client. Exploring diverse kitchen design inspirations can elevate your remodeling project. Integrate modern elements like sleek countertops, minimalist cabinetry, and smart appliances for a contemporary look. Alternatively, embrace rustic designs with natural wood finishes and vintage accents. Coastal themes with light colors and airy layouts offer a refreshing vibe, making your kitchen feel revitalized. The kitchen remodeling process in Tibble Fork starts with a detailed assessment of the current layout. Planning and design follow, leading to demolition and the removal of outdated elements. Each step is carefully executed, ensuring a seamless transformation. A kitchen renovation not only enhances functionality by optimizing space and layout efficiency, but also increases property value. Energy-efficient appliances further improve sustainability, while updated aesthetics create a welcoming environment for family gatherings and culinary experiences. Call us today for a free estimate and consultation with our licensed and insured professionals at EagleRidge and Vineyard, 801-784-1457, and visit our website eagleridgepros.com.